एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी परिवारों को इन योजनाओं से जोड़ने के लिए हमारी सरकार घर घर पहुंची है, गांव गांव पहुंची है। साथियों, कांग्रेस ने 100 से ज्यादा देश के जिलों को ही पिछड़े घोषित करके उनको अपने हाल पर छोड़ दिया था। इन जिलों में सबसे ज्यादा एससी और एसटी परिवार के लोग रहते हैं। हमने उसको एक नया रूप दिया, नया मिशन लिया और हमने उसका एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाया, आकांक्षी जिला बनाया। और उसका मेरी ऑफिस से डेली मॉनिटरिंग होता है। परिणाम यह है कि गरीबों की भलाई के लिए की योजनाएं, एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट की योजनाएं, अब एस्पिरेशनल ब्लॉक की योजनाएं, डेली मॉनिटरिंग, हर चीज की जानकारी, उसका परिणाम यह है कि आज
apart from taking on the wealth redistribution route, the Prime Minister has also stated that his agenda on numerous other fronts. Now, he has beaten back the charge of making communal remarks and said that he did it to highlight how the Congress violated the Constitution to give a quota based on religion. Now, he has also restated that the BJP's commitment to implement the UCC or the Uniform Civil Code stance. He says that separate laws for communities are detrimental to society and that India cannot be a nation where one community is stuck in a time trap due to appeasement. The Prime Minister has also hit back at the opposition, alleging that party wants to secure more than 400 seats or cross the 400 par mark, this time to change the constitution. He says that this is actually to foil the evil designs of the opposition, which wants to take away the quotas and the rights of the SC, ST, OBCs and give them to their alleged vote bank. He's also said that those who changed the constitution are the ones who are now alleging that it's the BJP which is going to do the same. On foreign policy, the Prime Minister said that his government's approach is nation first and to pursue the national interests. In fact, the BJP has now clapped back at the opposition. Here's what Shaina NC had to say.
We're not a banana republic that you can just take away wealth from one and give it to another. There are so many aspirational stories of Indians who have worked so hard to reach where they have reached. And our Honorable Prime Minister has ensured that people's lives are empowered and that people are not impoverished. So there is a difference in creating success stories that are looked up to, and there is a difference in playing appeasement politics and spreading conspiracy theories as the opposition has done.
And continuing our look at the Prime Minister's interview, the PM stated that his belief and that the opposition is down and out after the first two phases of the elections. He said that the BJP has great prospects in the south of India as the people of India know all about the INDIA alliance partners, corruption and misrule, as well as their hatred for Indian culture and heritage. Accordingly, he believes that BJP will emerge the single largest party in South by a bigger margin than last time. Speaking specifically on Karnataka, he launched a blistering broadside attack and saying that the Congress promises in Karnataka had deceived the people and was bankrupting the state like the left had done in Kerala. The PM elaborated further in his rally in Karnataka today. Listen in to the latest attack.
जिस कांग्रेस का इतिहास देश को लूटने का रहा है, क्या ऐसी कांग्रेस के हाथ में अब हम इतना बड़ा देश दे सकते हैं क्या? कांग्रेस के हाथ में देश दे सकते हैं क्या? कांग्रेस ने 60 साल के अपने शासन में जो उनकी पहचान बनी है, वो उनके पापों के कारण बनी है। भाइयों और बहनों, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने यहां कर्नाटका को भी अपनी लूट का एटीएम बना दिया है। इतने कम समय में ही इन लोगों ने कर्नाटका का सरकारी खजाना खाली कर दिया। कांग्रेस पार्टी यहां वसूली गैंग चला रहा है, वसूली गैंग चला रहा है। पूरी सरकार इसी प्लानिंग में लगी हुई है कि कहां से वसूली हो, खजाने में पैसा आए और उसको लूटकर अपनी तिजोरी भरें। हमारा कर्नाटका और बेंगलुरु, जिसे दुनिया में टेक हब पर जाना जाता है, टेक हब के रूप में पूरे विश्व में हमारे कर्नाटका ने देश का नाम ऊंचा किया। आज कांग्रेस सरकार ने ये टेक हब को टैंकर हब बना दिया, टैंकर हब बना दिया।
All right, with that we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.